I don't want to, I really don't want to do this, man. I really don't want to do this, but I got to. I got to, man. I'm gonna show y'all how to put a kit in your hair, a 360 wave kit, okay? Everybody talking about, oh, this person got a kit. You know, everybody else getting them. Fuck it, I'm gonna get one too. Everybody gonna have a kit. I'm getting a kit, bro. I'm about to put a kit in your hair. Yeah, like Poppy blasted a kit. I'm gonna put it in, bro. You feel me? Just for one day. And I'm gonna get Poppy cut my hair out. I ain't doing a 15-week wolf challenge. Nothing. Bruh. I'm getting the kit. Alright? I'm getting the kit.
Fool, you ain't getting no kit.
Ezel. Why do you always interrupt my video, bro?
Nigga, you better not put that kit in your hair.
Nah, I don't care, bro. I don't care. I'm getting the kit, bro.
I don't want to hear it.
Everybody else got one. Fuck it. I'm getting one, bro. I'm getting one. I don't care. I don't care what you say. I don't care what y'all say. Nothing. I'm pinning one in my hair. I'm gonna show you guys how to get a kit with 360 waves. All right. How to straighten your hair out. How to perm your hair. Okay. How to texturize your hair. All right. Bruh. Fuck it.
Copy blasted.
Well, everybody else doing it. Why not? I'm trying to join the team.
I knew they called you that for a reason.
I'm trying to join the team. Keep it locked, man.
I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. So wavy, yes, I'm so gross. So wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. So wavy, yes, I'm so gross. So wavy, yes, I'm so wavy.
All right, y'all. So first off, what you want to do is you want to get the kit, all right? But you gotta wash your hair first. You gotta wash your hair thoroughly. Make sure it's clean before you put the chemicals in your hair and shit. You feel me? So let me get my kit out. Thought I was playing? Thought I was playing, bro? You thought I was playing? You thought I was playing too?
Nah, man. PB the GOAT ain't doing that. He ain't going out like that.
I don't know how to use it though, man. Natural looking waves and curl styles in minutes. Bruh. No wonder how you niggas getting your waves fast, bro. Yeah, I'm getting one. I'm about to get one. Look. Natural looking wave and curl styles in minutes, bro. Extra strength. Oh, I got the extra strength one too. I'm on. This extra strength one about to be. Oh. Plus 2x the conditioner with olive and oregano. My guy, they trying to add the act. Bro,
on,
I got the special edition kit, bro.
Gill.
Look, they putting olive oil in there, argan oil and shit up in it. Oh, man, I got the special edition kit, bro. The special edition kit, I'm finna be on. Gosh. Nah, I'm just fucking with y'all, man. I ain't about to put a kid in my hair. Hell no. Do not put a kid in your hair, okay? Do not put it. Do I gotta spell do not for you? Okay? Don't do it. Do not do it, all right? You know why you do not want to put a kid in your hair? Because it could burn the hell out of your hair, bro. It would burn the hell out of your hair, especially not the extra strength one, bro. But it will burn the shit out of your hair. Do not ever put a kid in your hair, bro. Ever, all right? If you're trying to work on, especially if you're trying to work on getting your hair natural, don't ever put a kid in your hair. It's gonna mess up your natural oils, and it's gonna really. You think your hair is okay? A kid is only temporarily, bro. You put a kid in your hair, it's basically straighten out all your hair, right? It's gonna straighten out all your hair. It's gonna make it look silky and shit and good, right? You still gotta brush it regardless, but it's gonna come faster because you put the kid in your hair. You straighten out your hair, but that hair texture is not your natural hair textures, which means that it's only temporary. Okay, so when you get a haircut, you're cutting off that kid out your hair. When your hair grows, the hair that grows is gonna be your same coarse ass hair that's growing. Work with your coarse hair, bro. So what? No kid. Work with your coarse hair, bro. Okay, work with it. Try your hardest. Try your hardest to get your hair natural and healthy. You know, once your hair gets healthy, your curls are going to get bigger. Your curls are going to get bigger, which is going to enhance your waves and make your waves get bigger. You know what I'm saying? A little wider, not too big, a little wider. You can't really change your hair texture like that. You can just make it more healthier and make it look more silkier. You can't change it fully from coarse to medium. But y'all saw me though, I almost got to medium, bro. My shit was like, that's why I believe in like, really, you can semi change your hair texture, because y'all remember my hair used to be stupid coarse before. And now my hair's still coarse, of course, but I'm saying it has gotten healthier over time. You know, so you gotta just be patient, work with your hair to your own hair texture that you have, and don't try to give you like these other wavers. You know, be your own waver, bro. Work for that shit, bro. Work for that shit. But anyways, man, I'm finna show you guys what I am about to do is put this in my hair. All right, Ezel, I ain't putting one in my hair. I ain't putting a kid in my hair, all right, bro?
Yeah, you better not.
You be tripping, my nigga. You be tripping, but you keep me on my toes, bro. So I'm gonna keep. I
got to.
With you. I fuck with you.
That's what I'm here for, my guy.
Anyways, man, so what I am finna do is, you see this Murray's right here, right? Boom. Okay. For the people who thinks that another person have a kit, it might not even be a kit. I'm gonna show you guys the illusion that this does to your hair when you put a whole gang of it in your hair. I'm about to wash my hair out anyway, so fuck it. I figure why not do this video and put a lot of this in my hair, and we're gonna see how silky it gets in my hair. We're gonna see how silky it gets in my hair. I'm not put like layers and layers, but I'm gonna put a lot of it in my hair. I'm gonna do the hot towel method, all that shit that it says what to do on the back of this can to get waves in the beginning. You know what I'm saying? Put a lot of it in my hair, and my hair is pretty long, so it should look pretty silky. We're gonna see how it turned out, man. So y'all keep it locked. Let's get it. Let's get straight into it right now. Let's go. All right, y'all, so I got the towel, right? You got the towel. You feel me? Hot towel, bro, hot towel. You know what I'm saying? Got hot water, boom. Hot towel, hot water. You know what I'm saying? Doing it right now. All right, bring it out a little bit. Put it on your head. Put it on your head, bro. You know what I'm saying? We gonna see, we gonna really see if people get kits or not, man. Or it just look like they got a whole gang of Murrays or Dax or whatever the may be, you know what I'm saying? Whatever it may be, that non-natural thick pomade shit. We're gonna put the hot towel on our head. We're gonna leave it on our head for about 2 minutes. 2 minutes, all right? 2 minutes. I'm finna do it. I'm trying to do my thumbnail, bro. I'm about to do a thumbnail. It's gonna be something sick. It's gonna have to be something like this, bro. Yes. It's gonna have to be something like this, bro. Let me see. You feel me? So I guess that's how I finesse people, man. That's how I finesse, man. That's how I finesse. Anyway, let's take it off now. All right, boom. See? Hair kind of damp and shit. That's how you want it to be. All right, now we about to put a whole gang of this shit in my hair, man. I know, bro, I'm scared, bro. The last time I put some damn non-natural shit in my hair was, I don't remember when, bro. Y'all know I always use natural shit. So we about to put it in our hair, man, see. We gonna see, bro. I'm washing it out right away, though. Just know that. Just know that. We gonna see. Fuck it. We gonna see if it's really a kit that they're using or it's just a whole gang of grease. We gonna find out right now. We'll find out right now, bro. Alright? Let's get it. Oh. Oh man. This shit is crazy, bro. Wow. Wow. Alright. Alright, let's see how it's looking. That shit got me hot. I'm struggling putting that grease in my hair. Whew. Man. Oh look. Do it look like I got a kit? I can just spread it in easily. What I'm gonna do now is brush that shit in. That's what I'm gonna do. I don't wanna even use I don't wanna use none of my Dianes for that shit, man, really. But fuck it, we gonna use this Diane hard brush. We're gonna brush it in. See what it do. Hell no, this don't look like a kid, nigga. What the fuck? Come on, bro. This do not look like a kid, man. I thought if you put a whole gang of grease in your hair, it would look like a kid. This right here don't look like a kid, bro. Maybe my hair is too long. I don't know. But, or maybe they're using some other type of grease or something. Or maybe they just really is putting the kid in their hair. I don't know, bro.
So wavy, yes I'm so wavy. So wavy, yes I'm so ropes. So wavy, yes I'm so wavy. I'm so wavy, yes I'm so wavy. So wavy, yes I'm so ropes. So wavy, yes I'm so wavy. I'm so wait.